What's up, guys? Devo's World back here again. Today we got the good old Husqvarna, and we're gonna be cleaning out the campsite today, guys. It's all grown up. We're gonna get it cleaned up. Been wanting to do the video since yesterday when I filmed the other video. So yeah, we got a lot of work to do. I'm out of breath. Four-wheelers are down. So had to walk up to the campsite, which is a pretty good walk. Yeah, guys, all this is gonna be cleared out. So yeah, ooh, man. Let's get to it. Now we're getting the Husky gassed up. She's ready to go now. Let's put the choke on. Oh yeah, and here is the model model 930-22, just in case we run into some little snakes. So we're gonna, I think we'll clear out this area first. This is where we was gonna build something, just didn't know what yet. Maybe like a little picnic area. So I'm gonna get some of this cleared up, and definitely gotta clean the pathway up here to the trail. So yeah, guys, just stay tuned. That was a little bit up there. I didn't clean too much out over here yet, because I kind of cut most of this down, clean the path up. I'm gonna have to remove a few stumps and stuff. But yeah, I cleaned the path up a good amount. Cut it back a little bit, not too far. They're just big enough for four-wheelers and bikes to get up here, which, I mean, it don't matter with the bikes, but yeah, I'll show you guys what I cleaned up here. I wish I could have brought my GoPro, but it was dead and I really wanted to film the video, so guess we're filming on the iPhone. But yeah, I cleaned a lot of that up, cut a bunch of this down, cleaned out the area where we park our vehicles. Cleaned up a little bit right here. I got some stumps to remove though. Ain't looking too bad so far. It's shaping up. And it's so hot. That's the only problem. It is so hot. But yeah, we need to, we're gonna get the tent up here soon. I don't know what happened to a bunch of the logs that was up here. I don't know if we put them all up here or what. I think we was gonna do, yeah, one on there. One on each side and three in the middle. That way we got enough to boat our tent to. Man, this thing's, like, the fern strip ain't too sturdy, but the whole structure is pretty sturdy. Well, yeah, I mean, this didn't take long. We just wanted to do it out of logs, because it's just something little where we can pull a four-wheeler and bike under. It's nothing major. You kind of got like a little walkway there. It needs to be cleared out. But yeah, I'll update you guys when we get over in this-ish area. Now, I get up here and show you guys. I still got some limbs to cut. I got a machete there I'll cut them with. But yeah, as you can see, there's only a few limbs sticking up. Everything's pretty much cleared out. I'm gonna get back here and we're gonna set the tent up. And I found this hole covered up with this tarp. And I don't know what the heck that is. That's a deep hole though. Thing goes real deep. I don't know what the heck it is. Maybe like a stump hole or something, but I don't see how a stump just pulled itself out of the ground, you know? Yeah, the fire pit's actually cleaned up now. So yeah, we gotta get all these logs in there and clear out a few more things. Just cut these briar bushes. And there's a few little limbs and sticks and stuff. So yeah. It's shaping up, boys. It's shaping up. Alright, I'll update you guys when I get most of these limbs cut. Okay, here's the update. Mostly every single one of the little bushes and junk that was in the way is gone now. Chopped it all up. I think next thing we're gonna do is, see, we have a pathway. It's grown up. But there's a pathway that goes this way to another campsite. And we was gonna build a picnic shelter over there. But where our main campsite is here, I think we're gonna build our picnic shelter down there. So right now I'm gonna cut that bush down, or the little, whatever you call it. Right here's a bunch of leftover logs we had from doing this. Might just use them anyways, make the roof more sturdy, I guess. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna get rid of that bush, and then we're gonna clean up the fire pit and get the tent set up, and I'll update you guys when we get to that point. We got rid of the bush, cleaned up the campfire. So I guess the wind has apparently broken those pieces on the post for the rods that run through. It broke 2 of them. The other 2 is fine, but we can fix those or just get new rods for it. Yeah, the tent's down, the big one. The other one should be fine though. We just laid it here. Here's the campfire, straightened it up a little bit. Gotta get a new stick to put across long ways for the cooking pot. Man, I'm out of breath, boys. It is hot. Yeah, cleared out a little bit of that. I think the only thing I got left to clear out is, let's see. We're gonna grab the weed eater. I'll show you guys what we're gonna clear out this spot down here. And I think that's pretty much it for the video, because we cleaned up the campsite. I just wish I could have made it better for the GoPro. But oh well. Yeah, I think we're gonna clear out a little bit of that. I'll update you guys when we're done and hit y'all with the outro. Alright boys, that's it for this video. We got it cleaned out, area nice and clean. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm sure this one's another one of the more boring ones. Instead, the Apollo will be here Monday, anywhere through 1 to 5 in the evening. So yeah, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And this has been Devo's World. Peace out, everybody.